career in podcast. The podcast industry in India has a dazzling variety of content to offer the Indian audience but is currently still in its nascent stage. Compared with other countries like the US and China, where adoption of podcasts is high, Indians are yet to realize the potential this medium offers. But things are changing for the podcast industry today, as Indians are showcasing readiness to delve into and explore the wide range of podcast content. Internet penetration is on a steady rise, and more people are being exposed to this medium of entertainment. According to our internal numbers, podcasting is growing at 200% plus rate annually. As more people are becoming advocates for podcasts, the careers possible in this field are also on a rise. The most important ones are as follows. 1. Sound engineers. As podcasts are almost completely dependent on the medium of sound, creators need to put a majority of their focus on getting the sound right. Here, the sound engineers shine. They make sure the final product is at its absolute best for the listeners. From eliminating background noise and refining the podcaster's sound, to providing the right musical cues at the right moments, the sound engineers make the podcast what it is. Ensuring the sound and right emotion is done by sound engineers on the sound editing table. They push their listeners to bring their stories to life through the medium of sound. 2. Podcast producers. There are many different genres of podcasts, and the podcast producer is in charge of every aspect of it. They essentially perform the role of a creative product manager, handling everything from the tone of the show, to how it should be marketed and to whom. They make the final decision on the podcasts and help decide the right target audiences for each of them. As podcasting is still in its nascent stages in the country, the podcast producer's role is extremely important, as they are in charge of making sure the podcast is absolutely ready for listenership. It is also a very lucrative field at the moment, as most podcast producers make more money than podcast hosts. 3. Marketing managers. As mentioned earlier, podcasting in India is in its early stages, and during this time marketing is extremely crucial. Marketing can help to introduce podcasts to and sparking an interest in the audience. They choose relevant mediums to advertise on and help find associations to push their podcasts further into the Indian diaspora. Marketing always plays a significant role in establishing a product, service or experience in the minds of the consumer, and in the podcast industry, experiential marketing is currently of prime importance. 4. Content curators. Podcasts are as good as the content they present to their listeners. Thus, content curators play a crucial role, as they help decide how the subject matter needs to be presented. They gauge the depth of the story and understand the potential it is capable of. The content curators help the hosts and podcast writers structure their stories, and when necessary help curate a specialized segment for the same. They help in deciding whether the subject matter can be wrapped up in one podcast or if it should be expanded into an overarching series. It is an exciting job, as content curators have a large stake in being the storytellers too. 5. Distributors. While marketing helps make listeners aware of the podcast, the ones responsible for getting them to the end consumers are the distributors. They search for new media platforms to feature their podcasts and make sure it spreads to cover larger pockets of population who would be interested in them. With podcasts existing on the digital medium, the scope of increasing listenership is immense. Thus, distributors are a critical cog in this machine. 6. Voice actors. Podcasts exist on an audio medium, which makes voice actors the first step in podcasting. They need to be able to convey not just the subject matter but in a way that makes people want to tune in and listen until the end. Conveying emotion and good diction are strongholds in this career, and the potential for voice actors have expanded considerably with the introduction of podcasts in the country. It's an exciting time in the space, and the numbers of people who are making their careers in this burgeoning field are poised to explode.